In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new workspace in Notion. Before we begin, a quick note on what a workspace is and why it matters. In Notion, a workspace is like a container for your pages, databases, and collaborators. Creating a separate workspace is great when you want a clean slate for a new team, a side project, or a dedicated personal area without mixing it with your existing notes and docs. Start by opening Notion, either in your web browser or the desktop app. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want the new workspace to live. Give the app a second to load your home screen. You should see your sidebar and any pages you've recently worked on. Keeping your internet connection stable here helps, since the next steps rely on the app loading your account settings properly. Next, go to Settings. You can access this from the sidebar or toolbar, typically under Settings and Members. Inside Settings, navigate to your profile. This is where Notion groups account-level options, including the ability to spin up a new space. Look for the option labeled Create a New Workspace and click it. This action doesn't replace or delete your current workspace. It simply adds another one to your account so you can switch between them whenever you like. That's it, you're done. Notion will create your new workspace and take you into it right away. To confirm, check the workspace switcher, usually near the top left of the app. You should see the new workspace listed there alongside your others. If you ever want to go back to a previous workspace, just open the switcher and select it. A few quick tips to help you make the most of this new space. After creation, you can customize it later by renaming the workspace and adjusting its icon, so it's easy to recognize at a glance. Consider how you plan to use it. Workspaces are ideal for separating work and personal life, or for isolating a project with its own templates and databases. If you don't see the Create a New Workspace option, try refreshing the app, updating to the latest version, or opening Notion in your browser to access full settings. And if you're organizing for a team, you can invite people later and set up permissions once your structure is ready. To recap, open Notion, head to Settings, go to your profile, and click Create a New Workspace. Simple, fast, and a great way to stay organized.